No, this cat just galloped up to us. What? Pete Snead?
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
Hi, I think you got us confused.
We're not your owners. Go home.
Hi, friend. Let me check the collar real quick, but let me just see. Pete Snead.
Are we anywhere near here? I think that's his house.
I think so. Let me just.
Oh my gosh.
Why didn't you just find the first two humans from anywhere? Okay, friend. You go back home.
Go home. Go home. Oh my god.
Hold on. Where's the pink at?
Oh my god.
You don't want him to like follow us and then get lost.
I think he knows his way.
No, but I still get rid of him. Right?
You want to leave him at the house and trick him? Come on, Pete Snead. Let's go to your house, Pete Snead.
These owners are actually like it's a brown person and a white lady. And he's just confused.
We're not going to knock on the door, are we? Just make him go home. Go home. Go home. Go home. You're home now. We're not your owners. Be free. Oh.
Okay, good cat. Don't pay attention.
He's staying.
Okay, good.
Oh no.
No, no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Pete Snead. I'm sure he does this a lot. I'm sure he knows his way home.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Bye, Pete Snead. Go home.
Okay, stop.
Okay, maybe we'll go home now. Okay, good. Go home. No! Go home! Why is he going faster?